Welcome back to Zone Out Fun from deep in the heart of Texas. If you find this video informative, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Today, we'll explore the facts and differences between scientific hypotheses, theories, and laws. These fundamental concepts in science contribute greatly to our understanding of the world around us. Let's start with hypotheses. A hypothesis is a tentative explanation for an observed phenomenon. It's like an educated guess that can be tested through experimentation or observation. Hypotheses are the building blocks of scientific inquiry, serving as the starting point for investigations. For example, let's say we observe that plants grow taller in sunlight than in darkness. Our hypothesis might be that sunlight stimulates plant growth. We can then design experiments to test this hypothesis, such as growing plants under different light conditions and measuring their growth. Moving on to theories. In science, a theory is a well-substantiated explanation for a set of phenomena based on extensive evidence and testing. Unlike a hypothesis, which is tentative, a scientific theory is supported by a large body of empirical data and has withstood rigorous scrutiny. For instance, the germ theory of disease explains how certain microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses, can cause infectious diseases in humans and animals. This theory is supported by extensive evidence from microbiology, epidemiology, and medical research. Finally, let's discuss scientific laws. A scientific law describes a consistent and predictable relationship observed in nature, often expressed mathematically. Laws describe what happens, but they don't explain why it happens. One famous example is Newton's law of universal gravitation, which states that every mass attracts every other mass with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This law accurately describes the gravitational force between objects, but doesn't explain why gravity exists. To summarize, hypotheses are tentative explanations that can be tested through experimentation. Theories are well-substantiated explanations supported by extensive evidence. And laws are descriptions of consistent relationships observed in nature. Together, these concepts form the foundation of scientific understanding and inquiry. We hope this video has helped clarify the important concepts of scientific hypotheses, theories, and laws, deepening your understanding of the scientific process. Stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the wonders of the natural world.